It's iPhone 8 day. The phone will be hitting stores and doorsteps across the world, and one side has already got its hands on one and torn it apart. iFixit, which is known for its teardowns, has opened up the iPhone 8 to show the world what's inside, and for the most part it's a lot like the iPhone 7, as you might expect, but it's not identical. Key findings include confirmation that the battery is indeed 1821 mAh, as was recently reported. Fully charged, this will deliver 6.96 Wh of energy, down from 7.45 Wh with the 1960 mAh iPhone 7 battery, and little more than half of the 11.55 Wh offered by the 3000 mAh Samsung Galaxy S8 battery. Though Apple claims the iPhone 8 will last just as long as the iPhone 7 due to efficiency improvements. The teardown also found the expected 2 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, which is the same amount as the iPhone 7, though of course overall performance should be dramatically improved by the new A11 Bionic chipset. Adhesive strips being removed from the iPhone 8's battery. Credit iFixit's simpler screws and stronger ports, so their obvious differences include the presence of a wireless charging coil, and it sounds like the iPhone 8 might be marginally easier to repair than the iPhone 7, thanks to the general absence of tri-point screws. Other small changes include a new Lightning port bracket which seemingly reinforces the port, and seemingly more adhesive strips and black tape than they were expecting, holding things down and together. Ultimately, there's nothing wildly new and unexpected here though. For that we'll have to wait for the iPhone X teardown. The iPhone 8 Plus is out now too via rumors.